automated the generation of text into video with Gemini. So hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I will tell you the new feature of Gemini that we have launched inside Pabbly Connect. That is, now you can convert your text into videos with the help of this amazing setup. Simply add the prompt in Google Sheets according to whatever you want. Your team members can add what kind of video they want, the prompt inside the spreadsheet, and they can get the link of that video in the spreadsheet itself. You don't believe me? Let me show you how. So I will enter a prompt and style of the video over here. So you can see this is the prompt. Create a mouth-watering cinematic advertisement of a gourmet burger. Show a fresh burger being assembled layer by layer with the crispy lettuce, melted cheese, juicy patty, tomatoes and sauce. Use extreme close-up and slow-mo dramatic lighting and appetizing food photography. And the style is cinematic food ad. Okay, so this is the kind of video I require right now. So I've entered the prompt. Now I will wait for Gemini to generate this video for me and add the link of the video back in this Google Sheets. It will happen automatically. I have not assigned this task to anyone. So let me show you how the video link will be added back in this spreadsheet by itself. Just a few seconds has passed by and you can see right over here the link is added successfully. If I will open this link, a video is going to be installed inside my computer, and if I'll open the video, you will see it's the same advertisement that I wanted. You can see right over here. Did you see? The exact video prompt that I've entered in Google Sheets has been created as a video and added back in my spreadsheet. This is how this entire setup will actually work. Enter your team members or you yourself enter the idea of the video in the spreadsheet according to whatever you want. You will see the video according to your requirement will be generated and added back in this spreadsheet itself. In this manner, you will have the systematic record of all the videos that is generating. With that, you can share this spreadsheet with your team members and you don't have to share the account credentials of your Gemini. Just share the spreadsheet and you will have the spreadsheet to create videos automatically. So without wasting any time, by the end of this video, we will learn how you can create this automation without need of any technical coding and programming skills using the amazing automation tool that is Pabbly Connect. So let's move on forward with this video. Now, to create such automation, you need an automation tool, and I already told you that I use Pabbly Connect to create such amazing automations. Now, if you want to access Pabbly Connect, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. You will come to their landing page just like this. Now, if you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the task, you can create the setup with me right away absolutely for free. Test it out from your end that how this setup of video generation will actually work, and then you can use this automation for yourself as well. Now, if you're planning to purchase Pabbly Connect's yearly or one-time plans in order to automate your business other workflows, use my code on the left side of the screen to get instant and amazing discounts. I am already a user. I have logged in and created the template for this workflow. If you want to use the workflow that I am using in this video as well, check out the workflow link added in the description section. It's absolutely free to use. Now we have our trigger, Google Sheets, new or updated spreadsheet row. I want that as soon as the new prompt and the style of the video will be added in this spreadsheet should instantly send the new data towards Pabbly Connect. So that is why I have selected my trigger as Google Sheets, new or updated spreadsheet row. To connect my spreadsheet to Pabbly Connect, copy this webhook URL from here and log into your Google Sheets. Go to Extensions, Add-ons and Get Add-ons option. You will come to this window. On the window, on the search apps bar, search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and install this application. After installing, go back and refresh the spreadsheet. After refreshing, you will see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks, from which go to the initial setup option. As you will now do that, the dialog box of initial setup will appear, which is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. Now for this webhook URL field, we are going to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. And the trigger column column is the last data column where you are manually entering your data and you want the entire data, rows data should be then forwarded towards this URL. So as I'm entering two rows data only, A and B, B is my final column data, and as soon as I will enter the style, this prompt and the style should be forwarded towards this URL. That is why I will select my trigger column as column B. Click on this submit button, and it is going to say setup configured successfully. So you can see it says setup configured successfully. Now go back. One last and very important step is left, that in Pabbly Connect webhooks and extensions right here, you have to turn on the send on event option, so that whenever you are going to add in the new prompt idea in the spreadsheet, instantly this idea will be forwarded towards the workflow that we are creating. In the workflow, first recapture the response. It says waiting for webhook response. So now I will enter the new video idea and the style, and then let's see that new idea and style has been captured in this trigger response or not. Okay, so let me enter the details. So this is my prompt. Create a short animated story about a tiny lost puppy wandering through a busy city looking for its owner. Show the puppy walking through crowded streets, looking at different people, getting tired in the rain, and finally recognizing its owner waiting outside a small cafe. End with an emotional happy reunion. Okay, and I'm going to enter the style as 3D pixel style animation. So now as I've entered the style and the prompt, you will see instantly my trigger is going to capture the response of that. This is the story, the same puppy animated story that I've entered, and the style is 3D pixel style animation. The response is instantly captured. This means Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now as we have the prompt idea as well as the style, let's ask Gemini to convert this text into the video with the help of Google AI Studio Gemini text to video generation. Click on this connect option, add new connection. Now you need to provide the API key of your Gemini account. For that, directly go towards this hyperlink provided, and you will go to the playground section of your Gemini account, from which you have to go towards this API key section. Generate your own key from this button right over here. Then the key will be generated. Copy, paste it right over here and save this connection. I have already created a connection like this by following the same process. So I'm going to select that. Now we have to enter the input, the story according to which the video will be generated. So now for this input, I have a particular formatted prompt, and in that prompt, I'm adding my video requirement prompt. Okay, so first of all, I will enter the text that I want, and then I will show you the final prompt that I have. So let me do that. So this is my prompt. Create a high quality video based entirely on the following creative instructions. Now first I have to enter the video prompt. So now for this prompt, I will map the data. Mapping is the process with the help of which you can enter the data from the previous step. Add a slash, you will see previous step will appear, and here is this prompt that I want. I'll search for it. This is the prompt according to which the video should be generated. So I'll select the data from the previous response, which makes this particular data mapped and dynamic. Now whenever the new prompt response will be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the style, and I have entered this long prompt that I've used right here. If you want this exact prompt that I have entered, this entire body that I've entered, you need to comment down below the word prompt, and I will share you this prompt instantly. Okay, now after that, I'm going to click on this save and send test request button, and as soon as I will do that, within 10 to 15 seconds, it will usually take 10-15 seconds time, you will receive a URI, a URL of the video that is generated. Okay, so I will wait and I will show you the response that is generated through Gemini. And this is the response that is generated. You have received the ID, the status says it's completed, and you have received this URI. And this is the URI of the video that is generated. Now, before we move on further, in the help test important note, it says copy the URI from the response and paste it on your browser address bar. Add your Gemini API key to end with the URI using the key parameter. So first of all, copy this URI that is generated. So I'll do that. Paste it over here on this bar. Now next we have to enter the key with this ending note. So first I'll copy it, paste it, and then I'm going to enter my Gemini key, and then only you can get the access of the video that is generated. So let me enter my account key over here. This key right over here is the same key that you have used for creating the connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect. So enter that same key only. So I'll do that as well. So I've entered this key and I'm going to press the enter button now. As soon as I've done that, you can see a video is installed inside my computer. If I'll open the video, you will see it will be the same video generated. So let me show you.
Buster, where are you?
Can you see? It's the same animated video that I wanted to be generated is now installed inside my computer. So as now we have this video created successfully through Gemini. I actually really like the video. So now I will add this video back inside my Google Sheets. Click on this connect option, add new connection, sign in with Google. Now it is asking for us to select the account with the help of which you have created your spreadsheet. So I'll do that. After selecting the account, it is asking for the access, for which click on this allow button. This is a very safe process and our data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. For the spreadsheet, I've created one in the name of AI video creation sheet. So I'll select it from the drop down. Sheet is in the name of sheet 1. We have to enter the range where I want to update the cell value. Enter the column name. In which column do I want to enter the URL? Column C. So I'll write over here column C and then I'll map the date of the row index that I've received in this step. Okay. And for the value, I will map the date of the URI. Now remember, I am giving the access of this sheet to my team members so that they can get the access of the video as well. So what I will do is I will enter that key thing that I've already entered. I'll show you. I'm going to enter this key and enter my accounts key over here so that as soon as they will click on the link, the video will be installed in their computer and they can get the access of the video as well. Okay. So I will enter my key over here as well. So this is my key. I've entered this manually so that every time this URI will be updated with the new video link, automatically this ending will be the same and anyone can install this video directly from the link. Okay. So as soon as I've entered the value, I'm going to click on this even send test request button where I've received this response, which is a positive response. And in my Google Sheets, you will see a video has been uploaded. The link has been uploaded. A video has been installed and it's the same video that was generated through Gemini is now added back in my Google Sheets as well. So as now my spreadsheet is updated with the video, the connection is now completed. Now enter the idea in Google Sheets and get the video instantly in Google Sheets itself. Like within 10 to 15 seconds, you will get the link automatically over here in the same place. You can share the spreadsheet. You don't have to share the account credentials. It's actually very useful. I use it myself to create amazing videos. So now if you have any questions or doubts related to the connection that we have learned right now, so comment down below. I will reply to all your queries instantly. Now with that, if you want the prompt that I've used in this video, comment the word prompt in the comment section and you will get it. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.